A couple of years ago, we were opening a worship service on a Sunday morning by introducing a new song. And I talked to the congregation about it. I said, this is a new one for us. We're going to be teaching it to you today. It's a great song that I think will be valuable for our church, and explain some of the reasons behind why we were singing it. Then we introduced the chorus, and I started playing and singing and immediately forgot the words and messed it up royally. It was pretty embarrassing. So I just said, sorry, this one's new for us too. It got a good laugh, and it definitely took some of the pressure off that Sunday morning. So you've got a new song that you'd like to introduce to your church. You've studied the lyrics, and you believe that it's biblical and will be beneficial for your church. It's singable. It's got a great melody. It's memorable. People can sing along to it and remember it throughout their week. So you think it's a great song that should be added to your rotation. How do you introduce it to your congregation practically in ways that will be beneficial for them? I've got just a few things that I think about when I'm doing that I wanted to share with you on today's video. Psalm 149 verse 1 says, "Praise the Lord, sing to the Lord a new song, His praise in the assembly of the godly." Throughout the Psalms, we're encouraged to sing new songs to the Lord. That's a good thing for us to do, and we don't have to be afraid of it, but there are certainly some practical ways that we want to go about it. So here's a few things that I think about when introducing a new song to our church. I'll let them know that it's new. Certainly any Sunday, somebody will be in a congregation that doesn't know all of our songs, but on this particular day, if we're introducing a new one, then no one will know it. So I'll acknowledge that. Hey, this is a new one for us. We're going to be teaching it to you. We'll begin with the chorus. So I'll introduce the chorus. Usually I'll play it through and sing it through one time, and then maybe the second time I'll ask the singers to join with me and ask the congregation to join in singing as well, just to sort of establish the main part of the song, introducing the chorus. Then we'll go into the full song and sing it together. Then the following Sunday, we'll sing that song again, and I may mention it. Hey, we introduced this song last week. We're going to sing it again. Then I'll probably skip a week and maybe come back to it that third week. We just want to establish some repetition. And so then after 3 or 4 weeks, of singing it together, your congregation should be fairly familiar with it, and you can begin to add it to your rotation. A couple other ideas, you might want to add it to your pre or post service playlist, music that's playing in the room before the service starts or after it's over. That's a good way for people to hear it without having to learn it at the moment. You could post it on your social media after the service. Hey, this is the new song we introduced today. Our church actually has an app that we use, and every Sunday around noon after the service is over, we have all of the songs from that Sunday loaded onto the app. So when people are going to lunch after church, if they want to go back and listen to that new song and get familiar with it, they have that opportunity to do that. So there's a few ways that you can put those songs in front of people and help make them memorable. So we don't have to choose between old and new songs. We can sing the old favorites, the old hymns that have been faithful and tried and true. We don't have to forget singing those. We definitely want to continue to do that. But it's good for us to introduce new songs. We don't want to be singing new songs all the time and outrun our congregation, and so nobody ever participates because they don't know the music. We also don't want to just sing the same songs week after week after week. We don't have to just get stuck in that sort of pattern. So there's a few helpful tips. Hopefully that'll be helpful for you in introducing new songs. And if you find yourself leading a new song and nobody's following you, if you feel like you're not actually leading, if you've outrun your congregation, you might want to back up just a little bit and go a little bit slower. One other thing, I usually introduce about one song every other month, something like that. That seems to be a good fit for our congregation. So hope that's helpful, and hope you have a great week.